Welcome back to Trading with CJ. We have a quick update today on HCMC. We have been covering HCMC for some time now, and I promise you guys, we would give you all the updates around this one, okay? Not a lot has happened since we last spoke about them, but we do have a couple of bits of news around this. I'm just going to fill you guys in with where we're currently at with HCMC. If you appreciate all these updates on HCMC and other stocks on my channel, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel as well. We do have a Discord which is completely free to join. Link to that is in the description, as well as a Patreon as well. So let's get into this. We're talking about HCMC. Once again, we are seeing a lot of volatility in this barcoding pretty much, as we can see. Look at this 5-day graph. This is insane. This is what we've been seeing from HCMC pretty much now for the last few months. Barcoding up and down, up and down. Not really moving crazy amounts, okay? Even when it's down 10%, it's normally up 10%, down 10. It kind of follows that trend. You can see at the time of recording, currently trades for 0.0012, still considerably less than a penny a share, and this price is pretty much where we've been at for some time. We are a long way off those highs back in around about February time. And that's purely because there hasn't been much news around this. All the hype was around the lawsuit, and then the motion to dismiss happened. Then there was hype about this getting ruled out, and we saw a lot of back and forth between Philip Morris and HCMC. Finally, it went to the judge, and we are still awaiting the judge's decision. If we go on to Pacer Monitor right here, you can see the motion to dismiss was April the 19th. That was when it was filed, and we're still awaiting this decision from the judge. We don't know when it's going to come, okay? It could come tomorrow. It could come in another month. We don't know when it's going to come. However, and then, literally in our last update about a week ago, we saw another notice here. Notice of filing of petition for inter-parties review by Philip Morris. They want a review on the patent. Philip Morris are fighting against this patent considerably, okay? Maybe this is their next step, okay? Maybe they feel like they're going to be losing against a judge, so they have filed this. They basically want HCMC's patent to be reviewed. HCMC did issue a reply to this, which we saw, and they are fighting against this, okay? They said that they are building the war chest, they have the funds, they're happy to fight against this, they know they have a patent for their product. So that's where we're at the lawsuit, okay? We have two things we're waiting on, the motion to dismiss, and now we obviously need this review to go through about the patent, both of which we hope will get passed, okay? The motion we hope to get denied and go to court, and we hope, of course, the patent to get passed, HCMC will have a patent. That is what we're, of course, hoping for. Until we see that, we're really going to see a lot of volatility in HCMC. We, of course, had the news about the rights offering, which many people took up, and I'm pleased to say that if you took it up on Trading 212, many people now have received their rights, okay? And additional rights to make up the difference as well. So that's where we're at with this one. Rights offering and motion to dismiss did see a big run up. However, we have a couple bits of news from HCMC as of the last few days. The first one was this, a couple of days ago. Healthy Choices Management announced the launch of NUHI brand pre-filled Q cups in Colorado. So they're expanding their business, okay? We talk a lot about the lawsuit, etc. But we have to remember, this is a company. This is a business. They want to improve their revenue. They want their numbers to keep growing. And if their numbers keep growing, regardless of the lawsuit, we may be well off in the future, okay? So really, we do want the company to do well and the fundamentals to do well, putting aside the lawsuit and any potential money from Philip Morris. But you can see here, the soft launch will occur in the coming weeks, to be followed by a full-scale launch in July the 10th. And this will include wholesale distribution by the health center. They say, we are thrilled to have our products in Colorado, one of the most developed markets in the country. Now, CEO there, Jeff Holman. And he also said, equally exciting is the fact that the health center plans to distribute their high-quality NUHI concentrate products with their long-standing reputation as a leader in the Colorado market. We could not ask for a better team to be working with. So things are looking quite exciting, okay, regardless. They're launching this product now, hopefully for July the 10th. Following this, okay, very rare for HCMC, we got two big news updates around what the company are doing in the space of a couple of days. 2 days later, just yesterday, we got this one. Healthy Choices announces exclusive authorized fill-in agreement with ATG Pharma affiliate 6-pack solutions for their Q-Cup technology in Canada. So another part of this, okay, this Q-Cup technology. It does actually say here about it being a patented Q-Cup, which of course, as we know, this is what they're fighting against. The goal of this exclusive arrangement is for the 6-pack solutions to offer this unique innovation to both its current and new licensed producer clients. And CEO Jeff Holman says, we are very excited to be expanding our relationship with ATG Pharma through 6-pack solutions. With the direct support of the Builder Q-Cup filing machine, there is no one more qualified to perform third-party filing for extractors in Canada. with existing clientele comprised mainly of extractors in the cannabis industry, ATG Pharma and Sixpack are perfectly poised to leverage existing relationships. So this is a bit of good news, okay? It's not going to see the stock run up 25% or 50%. It's a bit of news around the company, but it shows they are still pushing this. They are still doing a lot of things. Obviously, their social media presence is still on the rise as well. They're posting a little bit here and there as well. They really need to work on their PR, okay, and increasing that. But yeah, I do think there is good things with this one. We will, of course, see a sell-off if we do not win the lawsuit. It is inevitable. However, if they keep putting out things like this and they keep building their brand reputation, etc., their reputation of the brand, we will see good things in the future. So it is a good thing for HCMC holders if you're in this one on the long term. Not a lot of news. I just want to give you an update with where we're currently at around HCMC, the lawsuit, and the company, and the rights offering as well. But of course, when we do get some big news, hopefully we're going to get some from Pacermonter and the judge very, very soon. When we do, I will of course be giving you guys the updates for all of you that do follow HCMC on my channel. And yeah, if you appreciate all this, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel as well. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.